Hey guys, it's Cher, and today I wanted to try to put together a really simple eye look using only a few shades from the Naked Cherry palette. I just got this palette not that long ago. Thank you to my friend Zach for hooking me up with some new makeup, and I have not gotten a chance to try it yet, so I thought I would use it for the first time on camera. You hear me say this all the time because it's true. I'm no makeup professional slash beauty guru by any means, and I do not claim to be amazing at these types of videos, which is why I never film tutorials, but I do really enjoy seeing what I can do with my makeup, even if I'm still mastering it. I just don't feel like I'm good enough at makeup to really teach people how to do their own makeup. Honestly, I feel like I can barely even do my own. But then I started thinking about what makeup videos I would search for if I just wanted a quick eye look that didn't require a lot of skill. And I realized that I'm always looking for easy eyeshadow looks that use palettes that I already have. Preferably ones that only use a few different shades because I know that those are ones that I can realistically recreate on my own eyes. I'm just not someone who can recreate the intricate, super winged out, smoked out eyeshadow tutorials that seem to dominate YouTube right now. So today I wanted to show you guys how I got this really simple eyeshadow look using only a few shades from the Naked Cherry palette. Hopefully if anyone watches this and is new to makeup in general or just doesn't feel like dealing with the crazy tutorials, maybe this can be simpler for you to follow. Hopefully this can help someone out and someone finds it useful, and let's get into it. I actually want to go ahead and swatch these first because I have not opened the box until just now, and I never get the chance or have a reason to swatch anything, so yeah. Yay, the box is open! These are the shades. So pretty. The lightest shade here, if you can see it at all, you might not even be able to, but the lightest shade here is called Hot Spot. The really light tan next to it is called Caution. The first light pink shimmer shade is called Bang Bang. I always want to call this color mauve, but I don't really know if it's for sure mauve. But that color is called Feels, with a Z. The peachier shade next to it is called Juicy. This shade is Turn On. I think it looks kind of champagne-y metallic. Very pretty. I cannot wait to use that one. The darker shimmer next to it is called Ambitious. This pinkish purple is called Bing. This one is coming off really dark on camera, but in person it's like a wine slash maroon shade. Very similar to the color of my shirt, actually. The pink shimmer next to that is called Young Love. This brownish shimmer on the end here is called Drunk Dial. And then the very last shade is called Privacy, and it's just like a dark chocolate brown. That's all the shades. I really just wanted to try to do a super simple eye look, nothing too intricate or complicated, just so I can keep this tutorial, loosely called that by the way, just so I can keep this video really easy to follow if anyone out there does search for a simple eye look like this using this palette. Oh my gosh, my nails kind of match the feel of the palette. First, I'm taking this light tan shade, Caution, and using it in the crease as a transition slash blending shade. And I'm going to keep building this up for a while to add some dimension to my eyes. I always do this first because it makes the more vivid colors blend together. I'm going to try to only use the actual brush that came with the Cherry palette because I know not everyone has 100 different eyeshadow brushes to choose from, me included. So I'm starting with the fluffier end of the brush for the first two colors. Then I'm taking the color Feels on that same brush and focusing on blending that out, more so on the outer parts of my eyes, and then dragging it inwards on the crease as I go. After building that color up a little bit too, now I'm flipping the brush over to the smaller, more defined end, taking the shade Devilish and placing that right on the outer corner of my eye and blending it towards the middle half of my lid, but not going too far over. I'm turning the brush around to the fluffier side again and blending that shade out a little bit just to make it less of a harsh looking pink. I'm also blending that out beneath my eyes just to even everything out. Then I'm applying the shimmer color Bang Bang over the beginning half of my lid. I usually use a wet brush for this because it makes the color stand out more, but honestly, you can just use your finger too if you don't have a brush for that. Then I'm just taking whatever is left on the smaller end of the brush, the same side I used to apply the bright pink color Devilish with, and blending that outer color in just a little bit with the shimmer shade in the middle of my lid so that both shades kind of meet in the middle and look smoother. And that is it. This is how the eyeshadow looks when it's finished. It's pretty simple, but I wanted to keep it that way, and you can always add some eyeliner or mascara if you want to make it more noticeable. I added some wings and mascara, but if you don't want to wear something that bold, then you can definitely skip the liner and just wear the eyeshadow. I already had the rest of my makeup on, except I haven't put anything on my lips yet. I got some new Buxom plumping lip polish in a color I haven't tried before. Once again, thank you, Zach. It's in the color Gabby, and it's the same exact maroon color that for some reason is the theme of today's video. It's like literally the same exact color of the shirt that I have on. So I have not tried this yet, but I love their lip glosses, so I'm super excited. I've said this before, but if you're someone who likes the effect of lip plumping lip gloss but doesn't like the feel of it, because I know that there are some lip plumping glosses out there that can be kind of painful because they're so strong. The Buxom lip plumping products are never painful. Like, they tingle just a little bit, but not in an unpleasant way. Just throwing that out there if you like that kind of gloss. I really like this color. I wanted something dark, and the only other Buxom lip products that I own are in kind of lighter shades besides this one lipstick that I just got. If you want to see me try that out for the first time, then you can click up here somewhere. And I think it accidentally goes pretty well with the eyeshadow. I just wanted to go ahead and include me trying that in this video since I did get it at the same time that I got the cherry palette. So I thought they'd be good to try at the same time since they do kind of go with the same color scheme. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that this was a somewhat easy tutorial for you guys to follow. I'm not amazing at filming tutorials because I'm not amazing at makeup, but I thought that if nothing else, my simple approaches to doing eyeshadow and to doing makeup in general might be of use to someone who may be new to doing makeup or just doesn't like to put a lot of time and effort into eyeshadow looks. And plus, I just kind of wanted to play around with my new cherry palette because I had not had a chance to do that yet. And I love it so far, and I definitely want to try to make some more videos with it. I feel like this is kind of a look that you can do with any 3 or 4 colors. I do this all the time to make my eyeshadow look like I spent more time on it than I actually did. If you have any suggestions for any makeup videos that you would like to see with me using this palette, then make sure you leave them in the comments down below. Make sure you guys like this video if you want me to do more videos like this in the future. Beginner / lazy makeup tutorials. Make sure to click subscribe before you go. And click the bell notification too so you know when I post new videos. Also, my social media is linked down below if you want to find me other places besides YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!